In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a thread in Slack. If you've ever wanted to remove an entire discussion from a channel or direct message, the key is understanding how Slack threads work. A thread is just a series of replies attached to one original or parent message. There isn't a separate delete thread button. Instead, you delete the parent message, and Slack hides the replies along with it. Start by opening Slack and going to the conversation where the thread lives. Look for the original message that kicked off the discussion. You'll know you found it when you see the little thread indicator and a reply count next to it. It's important to target that first message. Deleting a reply won't remove the whole thread. On desktop, move your mouse over the parent message to reveal the message toolbar. Click the three-dot More Actions icon. From the menu that appears, choose Delete Message. Slack will usually ask you to confirm, so you don't remove something by accident. Read the prompt carefully, then confirm the deletion if you're sure. Once you do, Slack removes the parent message and hides the thread's replies, so the entire conversation no longer appears in the channel or DM. A quick but crucial note about permissions. You can generally only delete messages you wrote yourself. If you don't see the delete option, you're likely not the author, or your workspace settings restrict deletion. In some workspaces, admins may also have the ability to delete messages, but that depends on your organization's policies. When in doubt, check with your admin or review your workspace's message retention and deletion settings. Before you press delete, consider whether anyone might still need the information in that thread. If there are important details, you may want to copy them to a shared doc or post a quick summary elsewhere. Once a parent message is deleted, the thread goes with it, and teammates will no longer see those replies in the conversation. To recap the flow, locate the parent message that started the thread, hover over it, click the three dots, choose Delete Message, and confirm. That single action removes the original post and hides all associated replies, effectively deleting the thread from view. That's all there is to it. With a clear understanding of how Slack threads are anchored to the parent message, you can quickly clean up conversations and keep your channels tidy and focused. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.